Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Microsoft Clarity on Shopify. Let's get started. First, go to clarity.microsoft.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click View All Platforms. From the list, find Shopify and click on it. You'll see an option to copy your tracking code. Click Copy to Clipboard. Next, head over to your Shopify store and log in. In your Shopify dashboard, click Online Store in the sidebar. Click the three dots next to your current theme and select Edit Code. In the code editor, look on the left panel and click on theme.liquid under Layout. Once the file opens, press Ctrl and F to search within the code. Search for Head. When you find the head tag, add a line above it, then paste the tracking code you copied from Microsoft Clarity. Click Save to apply the changes. Now go back to your Microsoft Clarity dashboard to check the connection. If you're using Shopify Plus, follow steps 10 to 15 as shown in Clarity's instructions. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.